And the first thing we're going to determine is where it says procedure part 1. It says get each person in the lab group one small marshmallow from the teacher. What do you think is going to happen when you put the marshmallow in your mouth, but you do not chew it? Okay, understand? Adrian? We do. Corey? We do not chew the marshmallow. You're just going to hold it in your mouth. So tell me what you think will happen then. Write it down on the paper. Well, if you don't know, say, I don't know. But if you can think of what's going to happen, then write something down. Everybody fill this in.
Crystal, what do you think's going to happen? Squishy, mushy, and messy, he said. I think he might have a good idea. What do you think, Mary?
Messy? What do you think will happen, Aaron? It might dissolve in your mouth. I can't do that. You have to keep the marshmallow in your mouth, and you do not chew. I don't want to see any marshmallow, please.
Well, you can't breathe.
And that's it. That's the rules for this part of the experiment. So when I say get ready, Anthony, or somebody, can you get ready to set the timer? You're going to hold this in your mouth for 3 minutes. What? Oh, okay. Okay. So 1. Get ready to put it in your mouth. I don't want to see it. 1. Come in.
It's not going to fit. You can do it.
3. Go. Oh, my. Hunter can even put it in his mouth.
Okay. She gave me there.
Hold it in your mouth. I don't want to see it. Lock it. Turn around.
Oh, boy.
I don't want to see it.
Let's see, Kelsey. Miss Adams at the 2-minute mark. How you feeling?
Please spit it out. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chew it up. Chew it up and swallow it. You had this in your mouth. What actually happened? And I want you to raise your hands and tell me, Crystal, when you had this in your mouth, what happened? Started melting. Okay, does anybody know why the marshmallow would already start melting in your mouth? That's crazy.
It started melting because it's made out of sugar, and sugar, whenever it gets hit by water, it'll basically, the water will get sticky and it'll dissolve this sugar.
Okay, that's part of it. Anybody else know why?
My tongue went numb.
Anybody else have an idea?
I cannot feel my throat.
Okay.
Nor my tongue.
Does anybody else have an idea of why it would start dissolving in your mouth? Because your mouth is hot. That's a good idea. Anybody else? Christo, seriously. Anybody else have an idea? Okay, so this is the deal. We've been talking about chemical and physical changes, right? When you start eating something and you put it in your mouth, it automatically starts a chemical reaction immediately. That's why it started dissolving all that sugar and that marshmallow, and it made it really gushy and squishy in your mouth. Is because that your chemical reaction when you're eating your food doesn't just happen in your stomach, it starts in your mouth. So I want you to, right here, it says, how would you describe the taste of the marshmallow? I want you to write that down. Well, describe the taste of the marshmallow after it had been in your mouth for about a minute.
Aiden, what did it taste like? What did it taste like?
I know. I said in about a minute. It should have started.
Aiden said it tasted squishy.
So what did it taste like?